Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the notification settings in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it and here you should select the fourth option, which is settings. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit and here you will see every notification settings. For example, new personal question, new answer, new like, new photo poll vote. Now literally almost everything is activated by default except for the last one, which is new question, but you can just customize to your own preference here. You can just press on any of these and they will be deactivated if you want, and you can activate them back if you would like to. Now just to show you, I can just go back right now and go back once again to this page and you will see that what I deactivated will stay like that. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.